Welcome back to Motorhome Lifestyle TV, the channel where luxury meets the open road. Today we're bringing you something truly next level for 2026 of the Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome. This is a rolling palace that completely redefines what high-end motorhome travel looks like. This is not just a vehicle. This is a statement of power, comfort, and ultimate exclusivity, designed for those who demand the finest experience wherever their journey takes them. From the very first glance, the Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome looks less like a traditional RV and more like a private jet on wheels. The exterior design is sleek, elegant, and unmistakably Maybach. Up front, the massive signature grille features the iconic vertical chrome slats, instantly announcing its elite status. While ultra-slim LED matrix headlights give it a bold and commanding presence on the road. The body lines flow smoothly and aerodynamically, reducing drag while adding a futuristic sense of luxury. Premium two-tone paint options, large alloy wheels with Maybach branding, and subtle chrome accents running along the sides elevate its road presence even further. Even the smallest details are engineered for refinement, from flush door handles to fully motorized, integrated side steps that glide out seamlessly, creating a high-tech and luxurious first impression. Step inside and the experience transforms completely. The interior feels less like a motorhome and more like a five-star hotel suite on wheels. Soft Napa leather, hand-stitched upholstery, real wood veneers, and brushed metal finishes surround you in every direction. The living area opens up into a spacious lounge with plush reclining captain chairs, customizable ambient LED lighting, and a panoramic skylight that floods the cabin with natural light during the day and a serene atmosphere at night. A large curved digital display sits at the center, giving you full control over lighting, climate, entertainment, navigation, and vehicle systems with just a touch. The kitchen is fully equipped for long luxury journeys, featuring an induction cooktop, built-in coffee machine, refrigerator, freezer, and cleverly hidden storage compartments, all designed to blend elegance with practicality. As you move toward the sleeping area, the sense of comfort continues to elevate. The bedroom features a full king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress, massage functionality, and adjustable firmness to suit your personal comfort. Surround sound speakers, blackout curtains, and soft mood lighting create a peaceful private retreat, perfect for unwinding after a long day on the road. The bathroom matches the same level of sophistication, offering a rainfall shower, marble-style finishes, a smart toilet, and heated floors that make every morning feel indulgent. Every inch of the interior is thoughtfully designed to deliver comfort, privacy, and elegance, turning long journeys into effortless, relaxing experiences. Under the hood, the Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome delivers performance that matches its luxury. It is expected to be powered by a high-output turbocharged diesel or hybrid powertrain, delivering strong torque for smooth highway cruising and confident hill climbs. An advanced air suspension system ensures a stable and incredibly smooth ride, even on uneven roads, while adaptive driving modes allow the driver to switch seamlessly between comfort-focused cruising and more dynamic performance. Despite its impressive size, the steering feels refined and controlled, and advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and autonomous parking make driving this luxury motorhome surprisingly stress-free. Now let's talk about pricing, because this level of craftsmanship and exclusivity does not come cheap. The expected starting price for the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is around $1.5 million, and with extensive customization options, the final price can climb significantly higher. Buyers can personalize everything, from interior layouts and materials, to exterior colors, technology packages, and bespoke luxury features, ensuring that no two units are ever the same. In the end, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice for those who refuse to compromise and demand absolute luxury on the open road. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more exclusive motorhome content. This is Motorhome Lifestyle TV, and we'll see you on the next journey.